Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about where you can find free low content templates for your products, your low content products. Okay, but before we go ahead and do that, if this is your first time here, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Because here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So let's head on over and find out where you can get those free templates from. Alright, now in this part of the video we're going to be looking at what they call Bookbolt. Now Bookbolt has been around for a while now, and it has some amazing interior designs that you can look at. Now if you look at what they've got here, you can actually see there are quite a few different kinds of templates that you can use. Now, to be quite honest, I'm a paid member, so be upfront about that. What you're seeing here is the paid members site. Now if I bring up the incognito site, it will also show you what you get in your interior section for your low content products. Now as you can see, you can get quite a few different interiors, and you can go through here and you can have a look at what they've got, and you can edit it and so forth. And there are different ones here you can use, and whatever else, and they all fit within the bleeds that you choose. And of course, now to be able to do this, all you need to do is find something you'd like. Say for example, you want to go for just say a plain paper with lines, you can go with something like that, or something with a margin. Or if you want to do a music sheet, you can do that as well. I mean, I think something like that's nice. And let's just say 120 pages just to start off with. And we'll make this one maybe 8.5 by 11, which should be here somewhere. There it is, 8.5 by 11 down the very bottom. And then all we have to do is hit download. That takes a little while to happen, but there it is right now. And as you can see, we now have 120 pages ready to upload onto Kindle as soon as we want. Now if you're a paid member, you have a lot more benefits. Now let me bring up my paid members area here. Now obviously you get a lot more templates just here, but there is a lot more to this site than just templates. Now if you go over here, you'll actually have a look at the various things you can do. You can also do a cover creator. Now one of the other things that the reason I actually purchased this, which was $89 a year, by the way, just to let you know, I have a coupon code down below. If you put down Product Creation Formula, capital letters on each of the first words, if you were to, the link is just above my head just here. Now if you go down below, you'll also see the link down there. If you use that in your coupon code, it'll give you 20% off. Now that's a genuine 20% off. Other affiliates could be selling this, and they'll most likely be selling it at full price. I've managed to get 20% off for my clients. So yeah guys, if you do get a chance to upgrade, you can check out down below. There's also $9.99 a month if you want to go that way as well. It's a really good site. Now if you go down here, let's have a look at down here. You've also got your keyword finder just here, and you can search for various keywords, and they are really good. Let's have a look here. I'm going to put down the word notebook and hit search, and it's going to take a little while, but it will find a whole bunch of different search terms that you can use, and it tells you whether or not it has high competition, whether it's highly sought after in Amazon and so forth. So you can have a look at the various, art notebook, it's got 1036, and you got B notebook, which is 409, maybe not quite as big. And you can go through here and you can have a look at the various things. Yeah, you can have a look at the various types of notebooks that they have on offer here, and you can do that. Now let's say for example you want to put in the word journal. You can put in the word journal, and it will come up with all the various words that in reference to journal. And you can find out what Google search ranking is, what Amazon's ranking is Accountability Journal. You got Affirmation Journal. Wow, that's pretty good. And yeah, you got a whole bunch of them here. And if you wanted to, you could even find a whole bunch of affirmations and put them at the bottom of each page. And if anybody else comes up with more affirmations that they want to come up with, they can put that else in the journal as well. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of things you can do here. And obviously, Affirmation Journal is big, and therefore would be probably interesting to get into. There are others as well. Anxiety journals. I mean, these are all sub niches that you can get into that will possibly bring in income. Look at this one, 17,000 searched on Amazon. And I don't think that would have 17,000 books on that. So I'm going to heart that one because that's one I want to consider. And there's a whole bunch of them here you can look at. And yeah, so you just have a look at the various, at what their high search terms are, and you can choose from there. And go from there, you can add that to your list of keywords when you go to upload your book. Okay, so this is called Bookbolt. It is one of my favorite sites now. I've just recently discovered it, and it is fantastic. I mean, I love the fact that they also give you free templates that you can download without any issues. And I downloaded this one. I downloaded this one, 120 pages. It was effortless. It really was quite effortless. And I have my interiors. I can choose any of these interiors that are not part of the members area. See, this one here is for members only. And as you'll see, there's quite a few that are members only, and that's, you know, going to encourage you to become a member as well. But I have to say that the next best thing about this is the fact that it also has various other things as well. They also have, with this one, they also have a cover creator. Now, if you have a 4,500 by 5,400 pixel image, you can upload that, and you can not only have it on Amazon, but you can also do it on Etsy and other book selling sites as well that you can create covers with. Okay, so with that been all said and done, that's the end of this video. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please leave a comment down below as to what you think of this site, and also while you're at it, if you haven't already, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Guys, I really appreciate the fact that you guys have been watching these videos and you've been consistent as well, and I really thank you for that. Now, just to let you know also too that, you know, we've now hit the 30 subscriber mark. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I've only been going for a short period of time, and I really appreciate the fact that you guys are there watching my videos week in, week out, and you're really making a difference. So thank you so much. I just want to say, guys, you're awesome. It's all about you and what we can give to you and how you can build your product and how you can build your online empire quickly and easily. Guys, I just want to thank you because you're awesome. Bye for now.